I just wanted to do a quick video update on stuff. I've been on YouTube. Checking my everything. But I've seen there's my fairly new Xbox 360. Gotta go back to the store. It's ring of death. Oh, I ain't doing it no more. What's up? But that's something I just got. That's right. Come on, give me a second here. That's not good. There's all the games I got. My Xbox. Sometime next 2 months I want to get my own car and do some countries, but that's a long, no. Trying to figure everything out. That's the CV, right? 1735. Here. No flash. But this is the CB. One of the ones I got. 2. On channel 19. I don't have anybody else. Got water load on it. Nah. And then ham radio thing turns on. 2 meters.
Signal down, we'll run through the siding of it.
So that one's got. And then thing goes on. Oh, a fairly old RCB. Turns on everything, but I don't have a 9-volt battery for it. Plus, I got another scan right here. Plus another CB. Got all the power options. And then we got this scanner. This is more the shit left it. I think called police scanner. This picks up more stuff.
Closing in room 5. Dr. Oak's patient to the north. PCU in about 15-20 minutes. Thanks.
Looking to east, you'll have 2 trustees returning.
That's long scanner.
East and horse at 11.
Official or other thing.
Minnesota this evening and will rapidly spread east through the night. Snow is
expected to reach the Twin Cities metro around midnight, and then reach the Eau Claire and Ladysmith areas after 3 a.m. By Monday morning, 1 to 2 inches of snow is expected across the Minnesota portion of the outlook area, with the dusting to 1 inch across west central Wisconsin.
And there's the scanner again. Supposed to see me. Right there. I get this junky one right here. Oh, turn on. Laptop.